Hi, thanks for tuning in for the last part of our expository nonfiction book, Homes. Let's see, some of the text features that we've been paying attention to in this book are summaries. We read the summary. Summaries are located on the back of the book. Table of contents, that's in the beginning of the book where you can find out which section you want to just jump straight to. The index is in the back of the book, and we're actually going to use the index today to find out about some appliances. So index is all the way in the very back. It's got the word and then the page numbers that you will find information about appliances. We want to focus on 22, 23, 24. Page 4 was the first page and it was very brief, so we don't need to go back to that one. So let's jump to page 22, and there we go. There's our section heading at the top, appliances. All right. Remember, when it's turn and talk time, it's anybody in your house that's available. And if no one's available, you can just say it to yourself. Okay, appliances. So does your home have a refrigerator, a washing machine, or a dishwasher? These machines are called appliances. Appliances make life easier for us. They do jobs for us and save us time. Other appliances include ovens, freezers, toasters, and microwaves. Okay, let's go down to this section down here. Help with cleaning. A dishwasher washes dirty plates, cups, and silverware. It needs a supply of electricity and water. It also needs detergent. Now I'm going to pause there because these two words are bold. They're in a much darker font print than the other words. And there's a reason for that. If you're not sure what, say, detergent is, you can jump to the back of the book, well, towards the back of the book. You want to look up here to find the glossary. Glossaries are pretty cool. You'll find them in nonfiction books because they're basically like little dictionaries for this book. So here's detergent. Detergent is a cleaning material that gets dirt and grease off dishes or clothes. We can also check electricity. Electricity was one of the other bold words. Electricity, it's a form of energy used to make light and heat and to power machines. Okay, so now we can go back to our regular reading because now we know what electricity and detergent mean. Remember, anytime you see a word that is in bold, you can always check what that meaning is in the glossary. So it also needs detergent. Detergent is a cleaning material that attracts grease and dirt. It pulls it off the things that are being cleaned. The water washes the grease and dirt away. Electricity moves the electricity works the moving parts of the dishwasher and heats the water to make it hot. A washing machine washes clothes in the same way. So here's a little caption for that picture, and it says, each time you fill up a dishwasher, you must put in some detergent. All right. This section up here says, measure up. Appliances are tested to see how much electricity they need to work. Appliances that use less electricity than others are better. They do not waste as much energy, and saving energy is good for our planet. So it says, when a dishwasher has finished washing, all the dirt and grease from the dishes has gone down the drain. All right, so let's think for a second. What did you learn about how the dishwasher works? Go ahead and tell somebody or think it to yourself. And also think about, how does the washing machine work? You might want to go back and look at the text if you're struggling to find any of those answers. And those bold words will also help. Remember that a dishwasher would need electricity and detergent in order to work. Okay, the last thing that I really wanted to share with you was a little science experiment. I know you have some science lessons, but this one's pretty cool. You can try it yourself. You can make a solar collector. It says in hot areas of the world, the sunshine has a lot of heat energy in it, and that energy is called solar energy. Oh wow, there's another bold word that we can check in our index to see if we get any other information about solar. Let's see, solar energy, a form of energy that is made by the sun and that can be used to make electricity. Okay, solar energy can be used to make electricity. We can use this energy to heat water for washing and cleaning in homes. We catch the energy with a solar collector. So it says you can make a simple solar collector and see how it collects the energy in sunshine. You need a sunny day to do this experiment. Okay, so here's what you're going to need. You're going to need 2 small plastic water bottles, the same size, black poster paint, a paintbrush, and aluminum foil. Okay, here's what you do. Number 1, you take off any labels off the bottle and you make sure that the bottles are clean and dry. And then you paint one of the bottles with black poster paint and let the paint dry completely. You might need 2 coats of paint to cover the bottle completely with paint. The second bottle, you're going to wrap in aluminum foil and you'll fill both bottles with cold water. Be careful not to get the water on the black paint because it would probably start to wash off. Then number 5, you're going to stand the bottles in the sunshine and you're going to leave them for about an hour. Number 6, pour some water out of each bottle onto your hand. Which water is the warmest? The black bottle, and here's a diagram to help you see, the black bottle collects solar energy, which makes the water inside warm. Sunshine bounces off the bottle covered with foil, so the water stays cool. You can try that experiment for yourself. Here's what it will look like. There's the bottle that is covered with aluminum foil, and here's the bottle that's been painted black. That would be a fun one to do when it gets a little bit sunnier later today. Okay, well now it is time for you to grab a nonfiction book. It could be an article, could be something online, could be from the newspaper. Anything that you feel like you can read independently on your own. And of course, if you've got questions, you can ask questions or write down your questions along the way. All right, happy reading.